Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Basics, where English meets science in the coolest way. In today's lesson, we are diving into the world of nouns again. But this time, we'll break them down into countable, uncountable, and concrete nouns. Have you ever wondered why we say one microscope, two microscopes, but we don't say one oxygen, two oxygens? Or why experiment feels like something you can do while knowledge is something you gain? That's the magic of how nouns work. So, let's explore how we use these types of nouns in real science. Whether we are writing a lab report, collecting samples, or observing bacteria through a microscope. Ready to sharpen both your grammar and your science? Let's get started. And hey, if you're learning something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Basics. Let me start with countable noun. Things you can count individually, like atoms, samples, equations, beakers, etc. You can say one atom, two atoms, three atoms. That makes them countable. We use them when we talk about quantities or units. Here is a sentence. The scientist recorded 5 observations. Observations is a countable noun because you can count them like 1 observation, 2 observations, 5 observations, etc. It has both singular and plural forms like observation and observations. In this sentence, we clearly see the number 5 showing that the noun can be quantified. Next is uncountable noun. Things that cannot be counted one by one, like water, knowledge, electricity. You can't say 2 electricity or 3 knowledge. These nouns need measuring words like some, a lot of, a little. In science, substances and ideas are often uncountable. Here is a sentence. The biologists collected data on animal behavior during the field study. Uncountable noun in this sentence. Data. Because it refers to a collection of facts or statistics. We don't say datas. Instead, we say some data, a lot of data, or a set of data. It's used widely in scientific research and reporting. And finally, concrete noun. Something you can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste. Like microscope, cell, atom, test tube. If you can point to it or hold it, it is a concrete noun. In science, equipment and samples are concrete nouns. Here is a sentence. She observed the bacteria through microscope. Bacteria, even though bacteria are microscopic, they are real physical organisms, living things you can observe under a microscope. Since they have a physical form, they are considered concrete nouns. And the next is microscope, a tool or instrument used in labs to view tiny organisms like bacteria. It's tangible. You can see it, touch it, and use it, making it a concrete noun. In this sentence, both bacteria and microscope are concrete noun. Why? Because even though bacteria are tiny, they exist physically, and a microscope is an actual object, a tool used in science. So, if you can see, touch, or measure something, it's a concrete noun. Let's take a quick look at a summary table of the types of nouns, what each type represents along with examples. That's it. Let's do a quick test. Which nouns can you spot in this sentence? Zoologists often rely on experience to handle unpredictable animal behavior. Noun types involved here are zoologist, common, concrete, and countable noun. Refers to people who study animals. It's general, not specific names. So it's a common noun. You can count them like one zoologist, two zoologists, and they are real, tangible. Next is experience, abstract and uncountable noun. It refers to knowledge or practice gained over time, can't be seen or touched, used in an uncountable way in this context. Next is animal, common, concrete, and countable noun. It refers to a living creature, a general category, so it's common. You can count animals and they are physical entities. And finally, behavior, abstract and uncountable noun, refers to the way animals act, not something you can see directly or touch. It's an idea or quality, hence abstract and uncountable noun. That's it. So, now you know all nouns are not created equal. From common to proper, concrete to abstract, nouns shape the way we write and explain science. In the next video, we'll explore pronouns, how they help us avoid repetition and improve our flow in writing. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Beyond Basics, where science and grammar go hand in hand. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you all.